in this part, you guys are demanded to understand, okay, to be able to read, and also to listen to the job vacancies. Why we need to learn this material? Kenapa perlu kita pelajari ini? Because most of the time after graduating from school or university, one of the most important thing that you guys really need to possess is getting a job, right? You need a job at the end that suitable with your skill. Kalau kamu umpamanya adalah engineering, maka kamu akan mencari pekerjaan yang sesuai dengan engineering. Kalau umpamanya si Keisha, si Esther, what do you want to be nanti at the end? Mau jadi apa?
Belum tahu pasti, Sir.
Oh, ada gambaran? Oh, ada apa gitu? Atau Fania, kamu udah tahu mau jadi apa? Graphic designer?
Kurang tahu juga, Sir.
Jadi kayak mana, guys? Masa udah kelas 3 nggak tahu nanti? Oke, Unita deh. Unita, kamu jadi apa?
Belum tahu juga, Sir.
Iya, yang udah tahu deh. Siapa yang udah tahu?
Alek.
Oke, Stephen Deviko ya nanya orang. Kamu menjadi apa, Stephen Deviko?
Gak tahu.
Okay, you guys really need to find
Jadi mahasiswa dulu.
What do you call it? Your expertise mau jadi apa nanti? Udah kelas 3 ya. Okay, so for example, if one of you want to be a graphic designer, for example, then at the end kamu akan cari pekerjaan, right? We are not talking about pekerjaan yang skalanya lokal. That's why we need to learn this. Saya anggapnya kalian tuh bekerja nanti atau mencari pekerjaan di perusahaan multinasional, for example, with different offices in every country, in several country. So you guys will need to see, right? Kalau ada nih job vacancies, you need to understand, for example, what you need to know about the company, for example, how to get the job, and then how the requirement, persyaratannya apa-apa aja. That's what you guys really need to understand, right? That's why we need to learn this. Karena at the end kamu harus paham itu dari di kelas ini. So job vacancies. What is job vacancies? Tadi udah dijelasin. Does anyone want to repeat what is job vacancies? Nah, lowongan pekerjaan tadi kan? Right, job vacancies is lowongan pekerjaan. Pertanyaan saya, kalau saya nggak mau menawarkan pekerjaan, tapi saya mau mencari partner bekerja, is that job vacancies?
Enggak.
No. Okay, why no? Why no, Andri? Kenapa tidak? Or Stephen Daviko, why no? Kenapa kalau saya cari partner kerja itu bukan lowongan pekerjaan?
So dia nggak ada buat brosurnya gitu.
Oke.
Untuk menyeret orang lain untuk kerja sama dia.
Oke, jadi dia tidak akan buat brosur kan? Oke. How about, for example, cari mitra kerja. Gojek, abang-abang Gojek tuh pekerja atau mitra kerjanya Gojek?
Mitra kerja.
Mitra kerja. Thank you, Mulia. It's mitra kerja. Dia ada buat brosur nggak untuk minta si abang Gojeknya daftar? Ada.
Nggak pakai brosur sih.
Tadi pakai apa? Pakai social media?
Ya.
Okay. So means that if you are looking for partner, if you are looking for worker, if you are looking for mitra as partner, I'd say, or staff, or any positions, it's still called job vacancies. Jadi job vacancy is not only the one who work for you, but also the one who work with you. Okay? Do you guys understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Kira-kira ya, gunanya job vacancies untuk orang yang untuk perusahaan itu apa sih?
Untuk cari pekerja.
Dapat pekerja.
Dapat pekerja.
Karyawan.
Kalau sekiranya dia cari sendiri, apa bedanya?
Job vacancy lebih efisien, lebih cepat.
Lebih cepat. So based on lebih cepat. Oke. Okay. Kalau manual carinya belum tentu dapat. Oke. Okay. Atau ada lagi untungnya? Ada lagi nggak untungnya? Untuk perusahaan.
Lebih banyak pilihan.
Lebih banyak pilihan. Very good. Lebih banyak pilihan. So that is actually yang what's important for the job company. Jadi if you have a company at the end, nanti when you are grown up, you have a company for example, then it is much more effective if you have a job vacancies instead of looking for it by yourself. Jadi cari sendiri itu nggak efektif. Why? Karena nggak semua orang yang berkualitas nanti daftar ke kamu. So the more option for the company, the better the company, the better quality of the worker the company will get. Okay? Okay. And for the worker, untuk job seeker itu lebih berguna untuk job seeker itu karena memudahkan mereka untuk cari pekerjaannya. Okay, that is the introduction. Nah, there are certain area that you might find the job vacancies. Tadi ada beberapa yang udah bilang, apa tadi di mana dapatnya? Koran. What else?
Sosial media.
Social media. Thank you, Yulia. Social media. Kemudian ada juga tadi katanya browser. In here, job vacancies itu bisa job requirement, job fair, and wall interview. Oke. Okay. Dan dia bisa ada di internet, newspaper, and announcement board, mading, and also some air broadcasted vacancies. Itu ada di TV, radio, and relations. Oke. Okay? Jadi ada juga di TV. Tergantung orang yang mau membuat ininya ya, lowongannya. So, job requirement. What is job requirement? Job
Ketentuan.
Ketentuan. Syarat-syarat. Oke. Okay. How about job fair? Ada yang tahu job fair? Nah, job fair itu, it's like there is a fair. Ada semacam fair, ada semacam exhibitions atau what we call it like pertunjukan-pertunjukan. Tapi isinya adalah perusahaan-perusahaan yang cari pekerja. When you enter to that location, probably you will see there are 10 companies that looking for job. You just need to bring your own CVs or resumes or resume to actually langsung aja daftar di situ. So that's job fair. Walk-in interview. Who knows what is walk-in interview?
Wawancara.
Wawancara. Esther. Ini yang belum pernah respon nih, I'm afraid. Tidak banyak nanti nilai tambah nih. Okay, so Esther said itu kayak wawancara. Walk-in interview itu wawancara. Tapi bedanya adalah kamu cari pekerjaannya, wawancara dulu nanti ditanya Kamu wawancara dulu ke situ, nanti kalau mereka bilang, oh saya butuh kualifikasi kamu, dan kamu akan di-hire oleh mereka. Oke, job requirement seperti biasa, ada di koran, job fair itu beberapa perusahaan cari orang, bekerja sama mereka untuk cari orang yang tepat. So that is the difference. Okay, now go to the key material of today's discussion. Can you guys read the 2 job vacancies there? Okay, I want you guys to find persamaan dari keduanya, sama-sama apa gitu dari keduanya itu, dari kedua contoh yang saya berikan itu. Okay, anyone?
Sama-sama ada requirement.
Yulia?
Sama-sama ada requirement.
Okay, requirement. Ada sama-sama ada requirement-nya. Okay, good. What else?
Sama-sama mencari pekerja.
Apa Daviko?
Sama-sama mencari pekerja.
Sama-sama cari pekerja. Okay, good. What else? Oh, yang lain. Elvin, Lee, Andri, Yunita,
Sama-sama
Helena. Gimana Fania?
Sama-sama direkrut, Sir.
Sama-sama direkrut.
Job fair-nya gitu.
Okay. Okay, what else?
Dua-dua perlu CV sama bachelor degree.
Alex, dua-dua butuh CV dan bachelor degree.
Nah.
Okay, what else? Okay, sama-sama ada alamat nggak di situ?
Ada.
Ada.
Okay. Ada alamat. Apa lagi ya? Ada nomor HP nggak dua-duanya?
Cuma
Waktu,
satu.
Oh, cuma satu ada itunya. Oke.
Jamnya sama. Jamnya ada jam.
Ada jam ya. Oke,
Ya.
ada jam. Ada jam. Oke. Kemudian apa lagi itu? Ada nama perusahaannya nggak?
Ada.
Oke, ada name of the company. Alright, so due to that kind of vacancies, ada beberapa persamaan. Nah, nanti persamaan ini yang akan kita jadikan patokan, oke? On how to create your own job vacancies. But before that, ada juga loh job vacancies itu yang dibuatnya di radio, oke? If you can listen. Guys, can you listen that?
Kecil.
Kurang.
Kecil ya? Turn on your how do you call it? Your speaker. Ini udah maksimal soalnya.
Are you looking for a job? Are you challenging enough to join with us? We are a natural funding company. Some workers in position funding officer. The requirements are male or female, not more than 35 years old, having your own motorcycle, high dedication and motivation, and having good skills and communication. Interested candidates may send their application to jirafinance@gmail.com. For information, call 545-658.
Alright, yang pertama dia bilang apanya? Apa yang pertama si pembicara sampaikan? What is the first thing that they said? Okay, let's repeat.
We are a natural funding company. Some workers in position funding officer.
Oke, apa itu dibilang?
Gak terlalu kedengar, sir.
Terlalu kecil ya. Alright, so it stated that dia jelasin dulu pertama. Are you brave enough to work with us? We are an international company. Dia jelasin diri dia siapa. Okay. And what else?
The requirements are
Dia bilang syarat-syaratnya. Syarat
male or female not more than 35 years old, having their own motorcycle, high dedication and motivation, and having good skills at communication. Interested candidate, please send.
Nah, katanya kalau memang sekiranya interested candidate, please send your resume to our email and also phone number. Okay, so that's what it says. From the 3 example above yang tadi, we can see job vacancies itu kayak using short sentence, betul nggak? Betul nggak? It's short sentence. Sentence is very short. And also simple and understandable language. Nggak susah bahasanya. And last, it's giving detailed information. So this is 3 characteristic of job vacancies. Number 1, simple, short sentence, simple, and detail. Okay, can you guys can you guys like memorize this kind of thing? Short,
simple, detail.
Short, simple, detail. Short, simple, detail. Okay, it must be short, it must be simple, it must be detailed. Now, this is the generic structures of the job vacancies. Yang tadi kita lihat persamaannya, maka job vacancies itu harus, karena ada wajibnya, job vacancies itu wajib. There, it must be a title there, it must be a purpose, it must be qualification, it must be contact or address. The title, judulnya itu apa? The name of the company and the type of job vacancy. Nama perusahaan dan juga jenis pekerjaan yang dicari. Okay? The purpose of the job vacancies itu biasanya adalah tujuannya. For example, kamu cari yang kualifikasi mana? Kamu cari umpamanya untuk apa pekerjanya? Okay? So that's what we call purpose. Now, qualification is the requirement of the company. For example, apa syarat-syaratnya? Harus, for example, having a bachelor degree, for example, or graduated from a reputable university, for example. So that is the qualification. Last one is address or contact. This is where people who are interested to the job you are offered will try to contact you and send the application. Right? So title, purpose, qualification, address. You guys really need to remember that. Okay? What is the first one? Title.
Purpose.
Second, purpose.
Qualification.
Address.
Yeah. In order to memorize that, you just need to remember this. Tipu kuat. Okay? So it's pretty simple. Tipu kuat, right? T is a title. Pu, purpose. Ku, qualification. Address, at. So tipu kuat. Okay? Right. If you are created one of your job vacancies, at least yeah, you have those 4 qualification. or those four structure. So generic structure-nya adalah tipu kuat. At least kamu punya title, purpose, qualification, and address. Tipu kuat, tapi kuatnya pakai Q. Tipu kuat. Alright. So last but not least, take a look at this example. Job vacancies atau the name of perusahaan umpamanya PT, for example, PT Delfina Sejahtera. It's a title, right? PT or CV Mulia Sejahtera or CV Mulia Delfina, for example. So it's called a title. Yang ini, where is the title? Where is the title, guys? Job fair career atau walk-in interview PT Mandiri Jaya Indo. Okay. Purpose di sini bilang apa? Dia jelasin diri mereka dulu. We are reputable printing company in opening a new branch, seeking some professional who love challenges, possess education, and with high commitment to us. Dia cari dia kasih tahu mereka itu siapa. PT Delfina Sejahtera. Kami adalah perusahaan tingkat kampung, tingkat desa yang bekerja di bidang perikanan, mencari seorang yang bisa nyelam, umpamanya kayak gitu. Okay. So, Delfina berarti punya perusahaan kecil di kampung, di perusahaan di bagian perikanan, dia cari orang yang bisa berenang atau nyelam, for example. So, this is what we purpose mean, okay? Do you guys understand the purpose?
Yes.
Yes, good. Now, qualification. Qualification, most of the time, it's written in numeric form. Ada 1, 2, 3, 4, ada number dia. Okay? That's the qualification. And last one, it cannot be forgotten. Nggak boleh lupa nih yang ini. Address or contact. Okay? Where to find, where to send, di mana bisa untuk konsultasi, kemana bisa kirim. So those itu address and contact. Address and contact, it can be boleh email, nomor, or alamat rumah atau ketiganya sekaligus. Alright, do you guys understand? Do you guys understand?
Yes.
Okay. Title, purpose, qualification, and address. That's all what you guys need to understand. Okay. All right. Do you have any question?
No.
No? Good. If there is no such question, for a review, tadi udah tahu tujuan, what is the purpose of job vacancies, model of job vacancies, and also where we can find job vacancies, and also characteristic of job vacancies, and also general structure of job vacancies. Now it's time for you guys to answer the question. Okay? The question will be sent to we still have time, I guess. The question will be sent to the chat room here, and also will be sent to the Google Classroom. Jadi ini kan Google Classroom-nya belum saya ini, karena ada 2 orang lagi lah kalau nggak salah belum join. Ini akan saya kirimkan. I will give you some time to answer ya. Nih, mana ya? Google Form.
Nggak perlu nama, Sir.
Hah?
Nggak perlu nama, ya perlu email.
Perlu email kalau nggak salah. Oh ya, nama ya. Sorry. Jangan dikerjain dulu ya, guys. Aduh, I'm pretty bad. Di ini terus nama. Thank you for reminding ya. Name. Deskripsi. Masuk kelas. Oke, boleh di-refresh dulu linknya. Sudah ada namanya?
Udah.
Oke. Alright, guys, I will leave you working with that, and I'm going to end this session in order to protect my my internet connection and my internet data. Okay, so I will end this session, and I hope you guys are able to answer. Nanti, if you still have any question, feel free to ask in WhatsApp group, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, turn on your camera before I end the class. Okay, 70 Pico on. Others. Okay, Mulia on, Nicholas on, Esther on, Julia on, Fania.
Lagi di jalan.
Apa nih? Jujur kali pula dibilang. Okay, Leonardo Koch, Indi Tasan, come on, hurry up. Andri.
Andi
Okay,
Segawan.
Okay,
Ini hitam, Sir.
Andi Segawan.
Okay, in count of
Andri,
five
buka
ya.
lowongan kerja, Andri.
Setelah five.
Pak.
Nah,
Andri,
setelah
buka
itu
lowongan
nanti
kerja. Mau lamar.
yang nggak hidup berarti tidak ini. One,
Ada sensor kan?
two, ya, three. Come on, Alex.
Andi Segawan.
Four,
Dani.
five. Okay, everyone. Thank you. You may log out, or you may out from the class. Thank you.